As always, remember to share and subscribe. As I'm working on putting together a protein feeder, so I figured I'd just kind of record what we got going on. So if any of y'all had any questions or wanted to put one of these together, you could at least have an idea of how to put one together kind of inexpensively. So anyway, I'm gonna get to it. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Gotta put on my good old Caldwell shooting supplies. My hearing is terrible, so I need to save it as best I can. So anyway, there we go. Yep, that's a genuine hole right there. Alright guys, basically the main ingredients to making a protein feeder: 3-inch PVC, a T, and a good old toilet flange. Moultrie leg kit, that's the next thing you're going to need. We have the leg kit. Let's put it together, shall we? So the most important part for your leg kit is to find a spot that's easy to make it even all the way around. So basically, you see this line right here, this rib, the bottom of the legs right here, that's where that's going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get my drill and pre-drill this out so I can put all this together. Thing that I've never really seen anyone on YouTube doing is using an impact to do any of these nuts and bolts, right? Most of the time you see people with wrenches. So if you get yourself one of these right here, little adapter, then you can take socket, put this on your impact, and I mean you'll see, it cuts time in half and greater than in half. So that beats the heck out of having to ratchet those little guys in. Whole lot noisier, but a whole lot faster. Holy crap. Where'd he go? Check this out. Wow. What do you see? Some form of roadkill. We got a vulture on our hands, picking off the street, about to get hit. Here comes a car. And he gone. So, to pre-drill it, right, let's do this. Shove it in there. Drill out the holes. Take it off. Go to this one. Go to that one. Go all the way around, okay? Okay, you ready? You're on camera too, by the way.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, right down in the back of Mr. Carmen's truck.
Oh, hi!
Okay, alright. Get on in here. You on that first one?
Yep.
Thanks, Lil.
Welcome. We did it!
Whew. Thanks, baby girl.
Can
You can go back inside now. Oh, you want to keep up with us? Yeah, you can come back. You stay out here with me if you want to.
Okay.
Basically, I'm going to take the funnel, Kind of put it down in here.
Wait, it's on again?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. What's this? Daddy? Did you get a letter in the mail any point?
Oh no, that's not a letter in the mail. That's the instructions. Alright, so my barrel's not exactly 55 gallons, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this funnel right down this line right here so I can bend it a little bit.
Yep. Wow, that plug's great.
Look at that, falls right into place now.
Go.
Okay guys, so what we got here is a funnel, and this goes into your feeder. Well, this is supposed to be a 55-gallon drum. It is actually a 54-gallon drum, okay? So, this doesn't fit, okay? Somewhere, I just saw it. 54-gallon drum, okay? Anyway, so, look, let me see the camera, Boo. Alright, so this doesn't fit. So, the simplest way to fix that, get your good old Sawzall, which you just saw me do in the video. Get your good old Sawzall, and you're going to cut a line from the center right on down. Okay, so what that's going to allow this to do is when you go to drop this in here, it's going to fold right over itself to where you can get it centered up down in here. There we go. Just like that. All I did, sunk a couple screws in there to hold it to where it stay the right size. Now we can seal it on up in there. For now. Okay. Hammer that on there real good. Yeah, you want this about a good 3 feet off the ground. Instead of going with the ones you would purchase just already made for about $40, maybe $60 at Academy, this is a lot cheaper, and your protein's going to last quite a bit longer, mainly because they're only able to attack it from 2 angles. The one from Academy has 4. So this is the protein feeder, that's how it works. Very inexpensive. I got the barrel for 20 bucks, I think. You can find them a little bit cheap. Sometimes you can find them for free. It just depends on who has them. Also, pay attention. I didn't realize it was a 54-gallon drum. So, anyway. Cool. Well, I'm going to take it apart and get it all glued together. With these leg kits, I find that it's best to do one, and then you can get away with taking off 2. Just gotta be careful that you don't have it. Careful that you don't have it topple over on you. And then another 1. See, that's a good catch right there. Y'all see that save? That was pretty good. Okay. for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. I appreciate y'all coming by and checking out my channel. Hey, y'all say hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be putting this feeder up and I'm going to video setting that up and everything. And then I've got a lot of cool stuff coming up on some game cameras that I'd like to share y'all's way. We're still working on getting a high-speed, super slow-mo camera for the shooting a tic-tac out of the sky trick. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Check out my store. It's wide open, ready to go. It's redneckweekly.com. But also just check the description below for the link to go ahead and get your very own t-shirts and other apparel. Thanks for all the love. Remember to share. Thanks, guys.